Next on YZT&T, we're going to talk about another couple strategies to solve complex problems. And the first one is how to foster a culture of experimentation and adaptability. When we talk about this is essentially encouraging experimentation with new ideas and approaches. It's regarding letting your team know that it's okay to make mistakes as long as they lead in a way to learning and continuous improvement as a team. This promotes further even flexibility in your problem solving and ways to get there. Just understand your staff. Each person is an individual, and they're all very unique. They come from different backgrounds, cultures. Each one has different strengths or skills to offer your team, and you should take advantage of these. And in an environment where you foster an environment that encourages spreading these skills around, these strengths throughout your team, there's a way to share the wealth with all of them. There's several ways to do this. One example might be to even hold bi-weekly brown bag training sessions where it's a fun time to get together as a whole team. It'd be great to do it physically where everybody's in the same room together, but you could even do it online on Teams or Zoom if you're working remotely, where one of your staff perhaps in one of these sessions provides a presentation and explains and walks through and teaches or trains some skill or strength, and they share this with the whole team. And as the employer, it's an encouraging time. You want to bring in a good lunch for everyone. May it be a fun time to get together, and but one of the staff provides a formal presentation from them to the entire group. And make this a training program of excellence. Give it a name, formalize it, and do this all through the year. It's really could be an enhanced benefit where you can create and promote continuous learning on the job, and bring in a free lunch on the company's dime. It's an encouraging thing. With this, you can promote learning, enhance skills, and experimenting and adapting to your challenges, whether you're working on complex problems or projects together, and then adapt it to your specific environment and your specific employees and staff. The next one really is leading with emotional intelligence, and it's really recognizing and managing your emotions and understanding the emotions of others, each individual on your team. As I mentioned, every person is uniquely different, and each one has different emotions. And thinking about your emotional intelligence can help you to grow and build trust with one another in your team. It can help reduce conflict. It can also help maintain a positive and focused atmosphere when working through complex challenges together. It's critical to stop and remember, your staff. They're real people with real problems, real challenges. And to recognize that and practice thinking about each person individually and specifically, it can help you grow in empathy, thinking about their specific conditions or situations, even personally. And it can help in producing in a work environment where you understand those personal challenges as they are working with you and your team together. You could even make it a goal that you want to be one that may come to them, and they come to you when they have even personal problems or issues, and so that you can aim to be a good listener, one who understands their issues, one to offer them some hope and a path forward, perhaps if they're open to it. You may involve then the entire workforce and all the staff to rally around them in really dire, difficult situations, even possibly handling a death in the family or some other significant issues together, where you come together as a team and walk through that together. You can provide them support either physically, financially, or even emotionally during this time. Now, to do this well, you must know them well, so you can understand them well. Do you know your team well? How well do you know them? Do you spend time with them informally? Do you have lunch with them? Do you hang out with them? One old trick that project managers have been using for many years is project management by walk around. And it's a tip to, walk around your office and speak with all of them, just a brief few minutes in the morning, perhaps, to get to know them better, understand what they like, what they don't like, their hobbies, their family, their children, their dogs, their vacation plans. This will really help you connect with them and understand them better. It's an easy tip, whether you're in a physical office where it's easier to do this, or even a remote setting where it might be more challenging, but you can really use Teams or Zoom or other tools around you to really connect with them, get to know them on an individual basis, and it'll really help you grow in emotional intelligence and help you maintain a positive and focused work environment for your whole team. And so really applying these strategies can really help a team grow together in working through complex challenges together and really foster innovation, collaboration, and a successful problem-solving environment.